I did actually want to show you the grinder house, the reproduction of it. This is an exact replica of the original one. Over here, where the little white sign is, right behind it is where the original one stood. The foundation is still there. You can actually go lay your hand down on it and feel it, but it burnt down. And so they didn't want to leave it gone, so they reproduced this one, and this one stands and is as an exact identical replica to the building, the house that Meriwether Lewis was staying at the night that he met his demise on October 11th, 1809. And so you can come and you can kind of see what he would have seen, even if it's just a few feet further down than what it was. It's interesting how close his grave is. Only, I would say a couple of, looks like maybe two or three, like 2 football fields away from where he met his demise is where he lays the rest. And it's a very nice, quiet, peaceful place. You can imagine being here in October, after a long day's journey. You're somewhere where you can, put your feet up and relax, knowing you're going to have a busy day of travel ahead of you, and you end up getting an eternity to sleep because of your untimely death. And so it's just kind of coming out here and kind of feeling that. I like traveling around and going to these places that you read about or hear about, because you can see and feel and take in some of the things that they would have seen. Yes, trees are taller or missing or been planted. There's paved roads for some reason. But essentially you are in a certain frame of reference, a place of historical significance, and you can kind of share in some of the feelings that they would have had at that time. They would have known of the towns that you come across. They would have possibly visited some of those towns. They might have seen some of the same landmarks that have been there and will be there for years to come. You can kind of get a sense of being part of their space and having a better understanding of what they did and how significant it was for that time and for our current present, and what our lives are like because of what these people did in their lifetimes. And we should think about what we are doing in our lifetimes that could have an impact on people 100 years from now. So that's why I'm doing these videos. I want to make sure people get a chance to fill them out, to kind of see the sights, to kind of get an idea of what these people were able to see, and what we can see from what was there, 100, 200 years ago. So, all right, guys, I'm on my next stop. I'm gonna probably pack up and do some fresh stuff in the morning. So we will carry on my way out to North Carolina. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tell everyone to follow my channel. Thank you very much.